chifa sauce. Yeah, soy.
Yeah.
It's really really
They
good.
have,
I love chifa so.
They have 2 buffets where they just all kinds of food.
Yeah, yeah, yes, it's really good.
We'll go then. Maybe
Ting tong, ting fang tong, prune candy.
we could go there. Hey, tomorrow we'll go to Goodwill.
Prune candy.
Tomorrow morning, late morning, we'll go to Goodwill, and then we'll go to the buffet for lunch.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
good.
Tater tot buffet.
And then
Yahtzee. Sí, ponga,
Estamos estamos en el lavado de carros. Mira, mira, mira. No se ve nada. Estamos en el lavado de carros y...
My teacher always yells at me because I always say la piece. She said, has the accentio thing over the A, it should say la piece.
Lápiz.
But I always say it la piece.
Lápiz is like la pigeon.
Yeah, but it's like the pea. That's what you're saying.
Yeah. You're saying the P.
Pea.
La P.
I'm saying
When
urine.
you go with pee,
Like
like
piss.
pee?
Ajá.
Like when I take a piss. Like urinate.
Yeah.
urinate.
you thought it meant pencil.
And I just say it wrong because
Aprendiendo inglés en el carro.
tilde.
Tilde, yeah.
Tilde.
What's it called though? Accent?
Acento.
Acento. No, pero en realidad se usa tilde.
Tilde. No, es
The squiggly.
acento.
What's the
pero
squiggly called?
tilde.
No, ¿cómo hacer squiggly con tilde? ¿El de la ñ?
Ah. No entendí eso. Entendí que hizo sí en vez de sí. Ah, no, yo entendí esto en vez de
Doesn't have a
eso.
name.
Ñ.
It sure as heck does, Dan.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does, because I've been told what it's called. I don't remember what it is. You're supposed to... The person's gonna help me on a Spanish one with mine?
She's the Peruvian Spanish. You're learning Shano Spanish. Bonduel Spanish.
Bonjour.
Adiós. Adiós. Chao.
Ciao.